Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to close your Capital One credit card. So before closing your credit card, you need to keep something in your mind that if you are not going to follow this procedure, your credit score may be harmed. Okay, so first of all you need to pay off your all the balances and you need to redeem your all the rewards. If possible, redeem your rewards and move your all recurring payments to the another card. Okay, and after you cancel your card, you need to destroy your card. Okay, so first method, what you have to do, you need to log in into your account, and once you logged in into your account, you need to select your credit card which you want to close. Okay, so you can see this kind of window. When you log in into your account, you need to click on view account option, and once you click on this option, you will see your account details of your card. Okay, you need to select this option like track my credit score, view statement, add user, and there is a one option also, that is you can see on behind my screen, I want to. When you select I want to, it will pop up a new window, this kind of window. You need to select close account and you need to follow all the steps until you close your account. So by using this way, you can close your you can select Capital One credit card. And if this method is little bit hard for you, so in that case what you can do, you can also call their customer support team, and their customer support team number is available on your screen. So you can visit on this page. I will provide you this link in our video description box. I have blurred all the number because due to YouTube strict policies. So when you visit on this page, this is the official website page, and on this page you will see there is phone numbers like credit card, bank account, auto finance, business, international and other. So you can call their customer support team and you can tell them that you wish to close your credit card, and they will close your card. Okay, so these are the two methods by which you can close your Capital One credit card very easily. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.